Hey, my cookies. Today we are making shrimp fried rice. Let's cook. First, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into our wok. We're going to get that good and hot. And then we're going to add in our shrimp. This step is optional, but I like to add sake. It adds so much flavor to the shrimp. If you can't find sake, you can use cooking sherry or just omit it altogether, but I really like the flavor. I'm gonna give that a stir, and all I add to the shrimp besides the sake is just a little bit of salt and some onion powder. Continue to cook the shrimp until they're about 90% done. At that time, we can add in our minced garlic. Turn the heat off so that we don't burn the garlic. We're just gonna use the heat that's left in the wok to saute the garlic for about 30 seconds. After that, remove the shrimp from the wok, set it aside. Now we're gonna melt some butter in the wok and add in a little bit of sesame oil. This oil is very, very fragrant, so you don't need a lot at all. So go ahead and melt that butter. As the butter melts, we're gonna add in some diced sweet onion. You can use regular onions, but I love the sweetness. My family really enjoys sweet onion in our rice. So we're gonna saute that around for a few minutes until that onion picks up some color. Now we're gonna add in our rice. I cooked this white rice yesterday and allowed it to refrigerate overnight. So it's perfect for fried rice. No mushy rice over here. So give that a stir. Now once the rice starts to heat up, you wanna push it over to one side, kind of make a little empty space on the side of the wok. Into that, we're gonna add some vegetable oil. Give the oil a quick second to heat up. Then we're gonna pour in our eggs. I've already whisked them together and we're just gonna scramble the eggs. When the eggs are just about done, we wanna go ahead and start stirring them into the rice. Now I'm gonna pour in a mixture of soy sauce and oyster sauce. And cookies, you be the judge as to how much soy sauce you need. We like it to be a little browner, but it's completely up to you. Also, if you would like to add carrots, peas, and all that good stuff, go ahead and do that. My family prefers to have our hibachi vegetables on the side. We don't like to include it in the rice, so onion is just perfect for us. But hey, make this your own. Do your thing. Here I'm pouring in a little bit of mirin. Trust me, you need it. Go grab it. Some white pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some chicken bouillon powder for extra flavor. Go ahead and stir it all together. Then you want to give it a taste and see if you need to add any salt to it. Just adjust it to your taste. Now we can toss our shrimp back in, add a sprinkling of green onion, and stir everything together until those shrimp are nice and warm. And that is it. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.